Hey guys, Dan here. Today we're going to continue with that outdoor theme because we've been enjoying so much just getting out there and enjoying all the different spots on Cape Cod to see nature and the ocean and dunes and trails. So this week we've got 4 walks on the Mid-Cape that we think you're going to love. Fresh air, exercise, just beautiful scenery. So with that, Tori, take it away.
The first on our list of favorite fall walks on the Mid-Cape would be the Mass Audubon's Long Pasture Wildlife Sanctuary in Barnstable. The mix of woodlands and water views makes this walk one of our favorites. The Mass Audubon website describes this walk perfectly. It says, sandy beaches, butterfly-filled meadows, woodland trails, and farm animals combine to make Long Pasture a unique experience on Cape Cod. Gentle, varied trails lead to what some have called a $1 million view, with Barnstable Harbor flanked by dunes of Sandy Neck Barrier Beach. Explore our expansive tidal flats and join us for a kayak tour, boat cruise, or family nature program. I really enjoyed the views of Sandy Neck from across the bay, watching the goats and the variety of landscape along this walk. Another great Barnstable walking trail is the Seabury Farm Conservation Area. This is a large plot of land that is mainly open rolling hills and makes for a great picnic spot. The trail crosses over the hills and meadow, connecting to Old Jail Lane Conservation Area and to Cape Cod Pathways trails if you're looking for a longer hike. These trails are also popular with mountain bikers in the area. When the trees start to lose their leaves, you can actually get peeks of the ocean from the top of the hill too, which is pretty cool. And across the street from the Seabury Farms in West Barnstable is the Great Marsh Wildlife Sanctuary. This is one of my favorite local walks because it's a solid mile loop and the views are amazing. The Audubon website states that the Barnstable Great Marsh is an integral part of the ecologically significant 3,800-acre Sandy Neck Salt, Marsh, and Barrier Beach system. Along with the expansive salt marsh views, the sanctuary features 2 open ponds, shady oak woodlands, and numerous wildlife. 3 species of owls commonly inhabit the sanctuary in the winter, and 5 species of turtles nest here in the summer. Last but not least is Crow's Pasture Conservation Area in East Dennis. We parked at the first parking area on the right side of South Street, where we were immediately greeted with beautiful marsh views and, you guessed it, crows. I'm not sure if this is where the name comes from, but it is very fitting. We then hiked 0.8 miles down the dirt road to a beautiful sandy beach and another path that leads to Cole's Pond. There are many trails at Crow's Pasture to extend your walk down to Cape Cod Bay and the sand flats at low tide. Also, for those interested in off-roading, Crow's Pasture is home to a long stretch of beach that is ORV friendly.
Hey guys, we hope you enjoyed these full walks on the Mid-Cape we shared with you today. And if you know of any place on the Cape that's great to get outdoors and get some fresh air and see some scenery that we haven't mentioned, go ahead and comment and tell us about them. We'd love to see them ourselves. So we'll see you next week.